From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Tuesday, everyone. What a beautiful day we're having over Beaver Stadium right now with a current temperature of about 57 degrees out there, and you see those amazing clear skies going on. Definitely going out with a bang here, Winter. Winter is saying, hey, look at me. You guys ready for spring? Here's what it's going to feel like across the state. We are seeing that at the moment. In fact, us here in State College are almost in that little tiny blue region that's happening here in Williamsport and Scranton, but we're still having much warmer temperatures than we did see yesterday, especially in places like Pittsburgh. You saw their current temperature is 64 degrees. That is 25 degrees warmer than they were yesterday at this time, and that is the case for a majority of the Commonwealth. There are places like Philly that are only 3 degrees warmer, but that is still warmer, and warmer is better than nothing, even if only by 3 degrees. You can see that is the case for a lot of the East Coast here. Even moving out into the central region of the country, we are a bit warmer than we were yesterday at this time. And in fact, you can see our departures from average here. We are 9 degrees warmer than our average today, and we'll get even warmer tomorrow. And once again, as we zoom out here, you'll see that the plains that we see, the Midwest, they are all a bit warmer than they usually are at this time of year. Like I said, winter is deciding to really go out with a bang here, guys, and give us a nice goodbye gift, a farewell gift, if you will. Though there is a little bit of wind out here, and this wind is something you're going to want to especially look for tomorrow. We have a big high pressure system, really dry out there. Mixed with this wind, those are good conditions for wildfires. So that is something you want to be mindful of. Make sure you're being safe if you're dealing with fire out there. I know it's good weather to do a campfire or something, get excited for spring, but you do want to be mindful of that. Taking a look at the radar, like I said, very dry out there. Nothing really going on for us here in Pennsylvania, and that is the case for basically everyone at the moment, except you see way out west there is some precipitation going on, but us here over here on the east, we're nice and dry at the moment. Taking a look a bit into the future, you can see that we are going to slowly start to see some clouds move on in as we move into the later hours of Tuesday and overnight into Wednesday. You'll see some cloud cover tomorrow, partly cloudy out there, cloud here or there, but it'll still be pretty sunny out there. As we move into Thursday, though, however, that's when we're going to see this big old system come on in, and that will bring us some showers on Thursday, and we'll start to see some cooler weather as we move into the later part of the work week and into the weekend, and that will bring some precipitation as you see those systems kind of move on out, and then another one moves right on in behind it. That goes all the way into Monday. But tonight, focusing back on today, we'll be seeing that low of 41 degrees out there with some clear skies, staying pretty nice. 41 as a low is quite remarkable, if I do say so myself. And tomorrow, take a look at that, a high of 68, partly sunny out there, definitely warm. Our record for tomorrow is going to be 74 degrees, I believe. So we won't quite get there, but there is a chance we might hit 70. You never know. But currently, we're seeing a high of about 68 degrees tomorrow, which is nice and warm. Final day of winter. I mean, what more could you ask for? It definitely does not feel like winter. And taking a look at your 7-day forecast, like I mentioned, tomorrow is our final day of winter, though it is the most spring-like day of the week as we see that high of 68. And as we look into Thursday and Friday, you'll start to see those temperatures slowly decrease. So Friday will still be a lovely day with that high of 50 and a break from the rain that we will be seeing as we move into the weekend with some showers on Saturday possible as well. Monday we go back down to that 50. So a nice start to spring, a little bit of a mild start to spring, but that is technically truly average for us, though it may seem a little bit cooler than what we are experiencing in the middle of the work week here. That's all for me. Enjoy your last final days of winter. Have a wonderful week.